Is your 7.1 surround sound headset or speaker system sounding muffled, muddy, or lacking clarity? Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or listening to music, poor surround sound settings can make audio sound distant and unclear. So, in today's video, we are going to show you several effective ways to fix a muffled 7.1 surround sound and restore crisp, balanced audio. The first thing that you should do is check your surround sound settings. So, many gaming headsets include a dedicated audio software such as Razer, SteelSeries, Logitech, Corsair, or HyperX. So, open your headset's companion software and look for any audio enhancement features. Sometimes aggressive surround effects like bass boosts or custom EQ profiles can make audio sound muddy. Try disabling surround system temporarily to compare the sound quality. If the audio becomes clear, the issue may be related to your current surround sound configuration. Then you need to verify the Windows sound settings. Check your Windows sound settings, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, and select Sound Settings. Choose your headset or speaker device. Then click More Sound Settings. Under the Playback tab, select your audio device and click Properties. Navigate to the Enhancements tab and disable any unnecessary audio enhancement. Alright? After that, you might want to make sure to reconfigure your surround sound. If your surround sound configuration is incorrect, audio positioning may sound unnatural or muffled. So make sure all virtual speakers are enabled correctly and complete the speaker test to verify that each channel is functioning properly. Of course, do not forget to update audio drivers. Outdated or corrupted audio drivers can also cause quality problems. So press Window key and X, then select Device Manager. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click your audio device and choose Update Driver. You can also visit your headset manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers and firmware updates. And you need to also check the USB port connections. For USB headsets, poor connections can occasionally affect audio quality. Disconnect the headset and reconnect it to a different USB port. If possible, use a USB port directly on your computer rather than a USB hub. After reconnecting, restart your audio software and test the sound again. And finally, test different audio content. Some stereo recordings may actually sound worse when virtual sound is enabled. Test your headset using games, movies, and surround sound that specifically support 7.1 audio to determine whether the issue is content related. Try each method one at a time and test your audio after every adjustment so you can identify exactly what's causing the issue. Remember, in most cases, resetting your equalizer, reconfiguring sound settings, and updating your audio drivers can significantly improve sound quality, especially if your 7.1 surround sound is sounding muffled. The problem is usually caused by incorrect EQ settings, overly aggressive audio enhancements, conflicting surround sound software, or outdated driver. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.